Hi everyone. Here you can see the all the types of mathematics projects. First is Pythagoras theorem, then a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube mathematical proofs, and here clinometer to find out the height, and next sets using a Venn diagrams concept working model, then sextant to find out the height of an object. Then later you can see one more project, that is a real numbers house, where you can see the different type of numbers. Then next trigonometric ratio table explanation with a hand, and then next you can see a super hexagon here. After the super hexagon, here there are four working models to find out the theorems of circles. Then here angle sum properties of a triangles and quadrilaterals, and sum of the angles of a different type of polygons, total surface area of a sphere. Next a probability game here. Next we can see here how to find out the LCM and HCF project works. And next we move on to the geoboard, where we can use this to find out the different type of geometrical shapes, and we can find out the areas. And here you can see a Pascal triangle. There are many properties involved in this Pascal triangles. And next a quiz board by using algebraic identities and a similar triangles project, and algebraic identity project also you can see there itself. Now here there are 3D shapes by using nets. By using nets, how we can form a two-dimensional figures into 3 dimensions by using nets. And here you can see that the volume of prism and pyramid, volume of cylinder and cone, and some of the solid figures are here, like 3-dimensional figures, cylinder, cube, cuboid, pyramids. Like there are different type of pyramids will be there here. And here basic operations of math, like mathematical multiplications. And here you can see a integers number line to understand the concept of integers, basic operations of integers. And here you can see the fractions, equivalent fractions of a project work. With this we can make the children to understand equivalent fractions very well. Now next we'll move on to the here there are different type of clocks are there, some puzzles about clocks, something about clocks, everything. Yes, to make them understand the kids about timing. Next here about line, segment, line, ray, everything you can see here. Then about Roman numerals. About Roman numerals there is a project here. Next multiplication tables. There we can find out the multiplication tables. And here square roots and cube roots, and there are some tangrams projects will be here again, using tangrams how to form a number. And here it is a mathematical game. By using these charts we can find out the any number up to 64, whatever they wish. There is a separate video will comes on it. You can see that a very interesting game it is. So it makes children to attract the mass. So we go for next year ratio and proportions project work, and it is a simple to make the children to understand the numbers, about number names ONV1, TWO2, like there are many projects with kids projects will be there here. And next it is a magic circle, that is a magic circle project. And here how to find out the prime numbers project here, bar graph project will be there. And pie chart project also you can see there itself here, pie chart project. Then beside of it there is a divisibility rules, all the divisibility rules project, and parallel lines and intersection lines project it is. Okay. Here tangrams project, and it is a polygons, the number of line segments we can find by using some polygons. and quiz board again. Here arithmetical progression project, parallel lines and transversal project will be seen here. And there are many different kind of projects are there which I have missed. Let me cover again. Here area of circle project will be there. Area of circle pi r square, the proof of area of circle project. Many projects will be here. And pi value, the proof of pi value 3.14, and it is a understanding 3D by using 2D shapes project. And to understand about the types of angles, there are many working models are here. And it is a shapes house. That means we can find out the different type of 3D shapes